Right.
Star Olympic
She makes
archer.
80%.
So
So do I.
she misses the bullseye at least once.
That's really
20%.
sad. Probably 20%.
So remember, 6 arrows.
Oh.
So at least once indicates what?
1 minus.
1 minus
Oh my goodness, I'm so good. Ah!
the probability that she never misses.
So the fact that she never misses in 6 is 1 minus p 0.8 sixth. Sixth. Yeah. Raised to the 6th.
Or on your calculator,
Oh,
You
I
could
didn't
do
think of that one.
1
Where's the
minus
sixth
binom PDF of 6.86.
one? You are really close to me, Taylor.
1 minus 0.262 is what that should come out to be. So we'll find out if it is.
1. Binom.
2, 6, 2.
Huh?
I was just speaking out loud.
Oh, I thought you said how do
Why
you know
is
that?
there-
I was
why
like,
is
it's
there-
for the
why is there
calculator.
Why is there 6 first?
Because it's just what fills in the thing.
Oh my gosh.
The number of trials and how many successes we want or something like
So we
that. I
want-
don't remember which order it's
You
in.
want 6 successes?
Second, bars. So you get to distribution. You want binom PDF.
Whoa, why am I looking like this?
So the number of trials at 6 trials, the probability is 0.8, and we're doing 1 minus because we want at least 1 miss. So this is still the probability that there's not a miss. So then the last one is the X value of how many we want, basically, for her to make.
Because there's 6 trials.
Oh, I got 2 pick 6.
We
2
want
points.
6.
2, 1, 2.
No, what
So then if you do
happened to
1
it?
minus, second answer.
Hold on a minute. Mine, like, deleted itself.
Wait, this one's binom.
When I mean, I probably messed it up, but.
So
6.
trials is 6. P is 0.8.
Enter.
Did she
Enter.
say Charles the Sixth?
No. That's what I want my prince husband's name.
I don't.
Charles the
Charles?
Charles?
Yeah.
No.
I mean, if
Charles?
I
No.
kind of want
I
to
was
William.
like, I love you, Charles.
Charlie.
Now I'm starting to feel like I regret this.
Then you should pick a different one, like
Okay,
not
I'm
Harry
gonna-
either. Too many
I-
jokes can be that one.
That is so true.
Okay, unless
I want like a
Styles.
William.
If it's Harry Styles.
I
He's
want
not a
like,
prince.
you know what's a really
He
cool name?
can't. He is a prince in my heart.
You can say like
You better believe
William. That one's pretty good. I like the name William. Call him Will.
Bill.
I was gonna say Will because Bill sounds like a bird's beak. Don't touch Wilbur.
didn't mean to. Prince Wilbur.
No.
Wilbur.
Prince.
See, but no, Prince Wilbur's gonna marry someone named Charlotte.
No, this is overheating. Prince.
All right. Her first bullseye comes on the 4th or 5th arrow.
Oh no.
I don't like.
We have 2 different ones.
These make me
Is
really.
it? Is it gonna be? Is it gonna be 1 minus binom CDF?
No.
Okay, just kidding.
So the probability, if I remember, geometric and
Oh,
then
okay.
PDF is for it being exactly like one.
So this one
Thing that
needs
we're looking at.
the CDF, right?
So we want the probability for it coming on the 4th one plus the probability for it coming on the 5th one.
Okay, so I knew it was gonna be CDF. I just didn't know.
Which
PDF.
Yeah, it's PDF.
Why?
Just kidding. I didn't know anything.
Because PDF is the one, yes, but PDF
Never
is
mind,
for,
I understand.
we're going to do 2 individual ones.
Oh. And then add them together.
So if you did this by hand, it would be
I
3 misses, so 0.2 cubed times 0.8 for a make.
2 cubed.
Plus, if you did the other one, it'd be 4 misses, so 0.2 to the 4th times 0.8.
Oh my goodness, I put this wrong.
Okay, I have a question. You're writing it like with. You're writing it not the calculator way, but then you're writing it the calculator.
The calculator way I'm doing in green.
Okay, so we don't have to write the thing that's not in green.
Correct.
I
I'm just showing you. I mean, I would
Like
write it
showing
in
you
your
what's
notes so that you can
yeah,
see it. Because
okay.
sometimes, if you get confused on what you're supposed to be using on the calculator, at least you can
At least
see
you have, like, what's
mathematically,
going on.
like,
Yeah.
or if you get
Okay.
to the test or the quiz and you're like, I don't know what I'm supposed to put, but you know how to write it this way,
Yeah.
you can get the answer this way. It just takes more to type it in,
Yeah.
basically.
Okay.
So now we're going to use the geometric PDF. Here, I'll do it over here. So geometric PDF of 0.8 with 4 plus the geometric PDF of, I'm going to write it below, 0.8 and 5. And then you're going to get whatever that's equal to.
Yeah.
Pig
I
is
got
staring Maddie down.
Point.
You're
Geomet.
big.
Oh. Do you want to say it, bro?
No, I don't have it yet.
Oh, never mind.
You go ahead.
I got 0.00768. That's pretty low.
0.8. Why am I stupid?
That's like not even a 1% chance.
You know, I actually don't know why I'm
Dang.
dumb.
She's pretty good.
She's about as good as me.
She's an Olympic archer.
Me too.
I have a question. Very off topic. But I'm gonna ask it. So when you're shooting a basketball, in the thing, is it arc or arch? Like,
Arc.
I need more. Oh, I see. Whoops. I need more arch on that.
Second bars.
Now I feel that.
It's not, I mean, it doesn't really matter.
Why did you
technically.
hit me with the chair?
I say
when
arc.
do?
I wanted this. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you were really freakishly close to me. I was starting to get a little claustrophobic. No, I'm genuinely claustrophobic. I'm literally not kidding about that. It freaks me out.
I'm your sister.
Throwback to when desks
Okay.
used to be super close together,
I know, like
pre-COVID.
I know. This is really just making my claustrophobia worse.
Yeah, the basketball girls yesterday came up and they were like standing like right next to me, and I was like, please scoot back. I was like, I don't care about the COVID thing, but I really, really, really still don't like people close to me.
No, oh my goodness, you
The
know-
concert had me so. I was like,
Oh my
oh my
goodness.
gosh. Like people were surrounding you and they're always touching you. Like,
I'm really bad in the car. Like if our car gets like if I'm stuck in traffic, it freaks me out. I'm stuck in an enclosed vehicle, and it freaks me out. I don't even know why. I just freak out. Like, and I hate tunnels, because I'm stuck in the tunnel.
We were stuck on the bridge yesterday.
I would have thrown up. Like it freaks
On the
me out.
Who was driving?
Coach Greer. Nothing
Hey,
bad
did you
happened
go-
today.
Did you go over the edge of the bridge?
No, we didn't.
Maybe I shouldn't say that in the
In
slide
a
effect.
video.
Oh, it's fine.
When is Coach Greer gonna watch a
Guys,
statistics video
does anyone want to see
for
Wilbur
chapter
surfing?
whatever this is, 16, 17?
Wilbur down. Wilbur overboard.
Wipe out.
Wipe out.
Wilbur super wipe out.
Okay, she gets exactly 4 bullseyes.
Okay.
Now, does it matter
Yes.
what order that she gets them in?
No,
No, it's the
No.
same. It's 1, 2.
she just has to
3,
get 4.
4.
So we're using
a lot.
something different now.
Oh,
Is it Bino? CDF.
something different.
That's one option, but not CDF, PDF.
Why? How do I know?
You said something different. We haven't done that yet.
Well, yes, because there's another way to do it.
Oh, I'm
It's
excited.
called combinations. So we're going to have 6 things taken 4 at a time.
What?
So we want her to get 4 out of the 6 that she shoots.
I don't get it. You have to write it out. My head's not that smart.
Okay,
I was thinking
it's
of
going to
it
look like
like
this.
like the-
Don't freak
the
out when I
numbers.
first write it.
I'm freaking out.
You can't say the word what.
Because I'm going to explain it.
You know what? It's fine. I'm not freaking out.
This.
Oh, you know, if he doesn't put red circle
Oh,
on
there's a
it.
circle. It's good. Oh, it's red.
It's pink.
Oh.
Oh,
What?
you know, sorry.
No way.
It still,
looks red. Want color blind?
Yeah.
In comparison to the balloon.
That looks the same.
That's
That's the same
No,
color.
it does not.
That is the same color.
Anyways, okay.
I
This
hate the fancy
is
girl.
the number
Open it
of ways she can make 4 out of 6. Okay, so she could have, I'm going to use H for hit, M for miss. So she could have hit, hit, miss, miss, hit, hit.
Oh my gosh, like whole.
She could have miss, miss, hit, 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 hit.
Wow.
Are you gonna write out all these?
She could have, no. She could have hit, hit, miss, hit, hit, miss. Okay, just a few different options.
Hit.
Hmm.
Hit. Hit.
Sorry.
You look like a zombie.
Was that because of my
No, I was.
Oh no, Wilbur!
Wilbur down. More bacon. All right, so that's a number of ways that she can make 4 out of 6. Now there's a lot more options other than what you see there.
Does anyone else like the pigs, or am I the only one that really likes the pigs? Like, has any other class been obsessed with the pigs? Okay, good.
They all see them and are like, what?
Do they want to touch them or just want to look at them? I like.
We get to play with these soon.
I think it makes me focus better.
We have not played with
Hold on one second. I need to
I
look.
hate to break it to you.
You know, maybe you haven't been focusing, but maybe I'm doing
You're not.
fantastic focus.
Focus Fox.
Oh!
Focus Fox.
Focus
Two classes
Fox!
merge. Wait, two
She
classes.
didn't even see our focus box. Focus box!
Focus Fox.
If only anyone. Oh!
It's a mutated ear. Okay, so
Oh my goodness, what if they just hear that and they had no context in the video? They just hear mutated. That's scary. I would unsubscribe. They probably already have because of me. Because of me!
okay,
Yeah,
so
makes sense actually.
6 things taken 4 at a time. So we would
24.
have C.
Oh, no, maybe not.
6, 4 times 0.8 to the 4th, because we know there's going to be 4 successes, and then we know there's going to be 2 misses, so 0.2 squared. And we
that
would
totally makes
multiply that together. So on your
I
calculator,
can't wait to find out how to do this on my calculator.
sense. I can't wait to not be.
I
Ah!
want to see what it looks like.
hit math, arrow over to probability,
Oh no, I hate this.
and then there's one that says NCR. It's option 3.
Math. Wait, hold
Oh,
on.
I wanted it to be the exclamation.
Now,
Wow. Isn't that
arrow
fun?
over to where it just took whatever your answer was before and put it on the left. Take that away and
Which
just
one?
copy over it 6.
Wait. Which one? NCR?
Yes.
Okay.
So it should look like
Wow, I can't see that. 6.
so.
Oh,
Why
looks
does
cooler.
yours look like that? Mine looks like the way
Ours
you
look
drew
cooler.
it.
Oh, well, aren't you just fancy? Sarah and I's look the same, I'm sure. So
Now do I do the multiply thing or do I just
hit enter.
Oh.
15.
Okay, so now multiply that by. I just wanted to show you that it'll tell you that's how many possible combinations there are.
Whoa.
That she could get 4 makes and 2 misses. So then take that and multiply it by, use parentheses, 0.8 raised to the 4th, and then close that parentheses.
Wait,
Then
you don't.
open another one and do 0.2 squared, and then close that one.
Is it 0.24? 0.576?
So that's equal to
Times.
0.24576.
Okay, I just want to make sure that I would
Oh,
get
you
the
already
same
said
thing
it.
because I didn't hit enter after doing this.
2, 4, 7, 5. Wait, 5, 7.
7, 5, 7, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 8. That's not my number. Oh no! I just leaked a number on your YouTube channel.
I thought you said I licked a number.
Oh no, I didn't do that. I leaked a number. Please
I
don't call
have
my mom.
a lot of.
My mom will be very upset with me if you call her.
I put a lot of numbers on here.
Oh,
You
do.
You do. What?
You do.
It's the Mountain Dew, guys.
Bro.
It's really.
All right. The other way we could do this is binom PDF of 6.8 and 4. So 6 trials. The probability, that's the word I'm looking for. The probability of a hit, and then we want that she gets 4 makes. So then that you can do that way and tell me what you get.
Why was that one so much easier?
I don't want to say it this time, guys. 2 point.
Same thing.
So you could do it either way.
So I would do it the easier way. It's not the C.
I like the C. I think it looks cool.
No, I think it looks like aggressive.
I think it looks very
I tend to mix up the binom CDFs and PDFs and all that stuff, so
I
that's
get
kind of
that.
why I do it the other way, but
I don't know what the difference is.
I know what the difference is.
I can look at my notes too.
Okay. Well, PDF is singularity,
Binom.
and the other one I don't really know. Am I right?
Is for PDF is for individual.
I just said that. CDF is
Exactly the number of successes. CDF is X or fewer.
successes.
I don't know. I said rulers. Mine says rulers.
just so you know, the other way that this would be written that you may see is like this. 6
No,
things
that way
taken
it's
4
like
at a
this,
time.
Like, you know, if you kind of slant, it kind of looks like a weird eyeball.
You look like
Did
That
you
was
say I look like a
mean,
weird
Taylor. Yeah, she said you look like a mean eyeball.
eyeball? That's fair.
That's rude.
I see it though.
How
She
rude.
opened the door for it and I had to. What did you do?
Bacon!
Wikers down!
Bacon in the chip bags.
Blinkers.
Just to let everyone who's watching the
He's
video
gonna
know,
win.
We're playing with pigs. That sounds weird.
Alright, she gets at least 4 bullseyes.
Oh my word, I can't draw.
1 minus.
Okay, you can do 1 minus the probability that she gets.
No. None of them work.
2.
Some.
Well,
None.
how many can she not get? Or what is the least amount?
She
What
can get
amount
3.
can... Yes, 3 or less. Okay, so we can do 1 minus the probability of her getting 3. Okay, so we're looking at, okay, the fact that she gets 4, 5, or 6 bullseyes.
4, 5, or even 6 bullseyes. Why do they call it bullseyes? Like, for bullseye? Like,
It's hunting, you know.
I know, but why is it like a bull? Like a bull.
There was a guy in my class who used to be able to fold his eyelids inside out.
There was a guy in my class who used to do that. You know Julia Humsterfer? Her brother. He's weird. I don't like him.
I hope he's watching this video.
I hope you're watching this, Joseph.
Casting shade.
Alright, so...
What happens if Julia watches this video and takes stats?
She'll laugh. She knows I don't like him.
Oh, okay, good.
Alright, no order specified.
No order.
So that implies that we're binomial.
Binomial.
Isn't that the one that goes like woo woo?
Alright. So, we can write it out as...
Is it blue time? Well, for you it's purple, but for me it's blue.
C of 6, 4 times 0.8 to the 4th times 0.2 squared
It's not the
plus
same thing.
the probability of 6 taken 5 at a time, or the combination of 6 taken 5 at a time, times 0.8 raised to the 5th times 0.2
You'll have to give us like
plus...
10 minutes, right?
Why are you being cool? Be slow, math teacher, for a change.
Don't be slow. I don't want my teachers to be slow.
The combination
It's giving me time to catch up. Keep going.
of 6
Okay, we're good now.
taken 6 at a time times
scary.
0.8 to the 6th is equal to,
Sadness.
I won't make you do that. I've already done it. It's 0.901.
0.901.
But it's binom
Oh, the good part. Here we go.
at least. So I'm doing 1 minus, as Taylor mentioned. So it's 1 minus binom CDF
How?
of 6.8
That's not
and
enough.
3.
Somebody tell me how we knew what was CDF.
You're adding everything up.
Okay.
It's more than one singular thing.
Okay. And you get the same answer, I assume.
I feel like in this case, I'd rather do the CDF one because
Yeah.
that's
That's what I'm
a lot.
saying. It just depends, but like the other way is, you know,
Second.
you don't have to worry about if you got the wrong like thingy.
CDF. 6. No. Why does it do that? Oh my gosh. This is when why did I get 1?
You're weird.
Did you
I put in the wrong number.
type it in?
I put
I
in the
got-
wrong number. It's my fault.
Why is there poison?
Wait.
What?
I got 6.8 and
Poison.
It's not poison.
I got 0.9.
It's a different stats function, but it's
I
not
forgot the 1
poison.
minus.
Okay, but
Okay, point.
I got something different.
I also got something different.
0.918.
Did you put the minus in, y'all?
Yes,
Oh no, I didn't.
I did.
I got that.
What am I doing?
Thank you.
I used PDF.
Well, I got point
I used the
Point
wrong one.
0.901.
It's me. Believe it or not, I was the error.
You didn't get your balloons yesterday?
You think I want them on the Broadwater bus?
Yeah. I think you do.
I will bring them home today though. Today.
We'll give you another one that's not deflated because I don't know what happened to that one.
I don't know what happened to it either.
But we have plenty that are still inflated.
You know what I
so
wanna do?
I want.
I think mine are still in my mom's office. I need to give it to Jasper because
This
he's like,
balloon is my balloon.
you should tie it to him and make him run around the
Okay, you
house
know
and
what he
like make
does?
him freak
so
out.
he. Okay, first
My
of all,
dog popped
we did
one
something.
along
Okay,
already.
my dog had the leash on.
Yeah.
Had like a retractable leash, so it had like a big end to it, like you know where you hold the lock button and stuff on the leash. Well, he thought he was being chased by something in the house, so he was running around trying to get away from his leash.
Smells weird.
That's stuck on it. I was like, bro, what are you doing? And then last time I had a balloon from Joelle when I had COVID. When I was recovered, I took it downstairs. The dog played with it, right? He put the string in his mouth and carried it back and forth.
Passing the pig.
I was like, oh my gosh.
All right, she gets at most 4 bullseyes.
Oinkers!
Ouch.
I really hope Miss Marshall asks what we're doing.
Why are we screaming oinkers?
I'm ready for this. She gets
Can I
at
have
most.
this one?
That means
At
you
most?
add one.
Is that
That means she can get how many?
4.
Only
Only 4.
a
Up to
4 or
four.
less. Up to
0,
4.
1, 2, 3, or 4.
Okay.
So we could do 1 minus the probability of what?
She gets
1 minus
more than 4.
x equals 5 or 6.
Okay, so yeah, so same thing as more than 4. All same way to say it. I just write it this way. Doesn't matter though. So we could do, if you wanted to do it written out, again, I'm just doing it just so you can see it written out, but we'll do it on the calculator. Okay, 1 minus, then combination of 6 taken 5 at a time for 0.8 to the 5th times 0.2 plus combination of 6 taken 6 at a time times 0.8 to the 6th. Or on your calculator, you can use binom CDF for adding everything up, 6.8, and then up to 4.
Oh. Don't get me in trouble.
Ow!
I'm in with my inner farm animal day.
You ever
I-
seen Aristocats?
Oh my
No.
goodness, I was obsessed with that.
We used to
Apparently
watch
they're
that.
making a live action one.
That's
Okay, they made
I
a
feel like
live
it could be
action
wrong.
Cats and it was awful. So I really hope that it's
Was that where the
nothing
people
like
were the
that.
cats?
Yes, all
That
the
freaks me
celebrities
out.
were
I'm
cats,
sorry, that
and I was
freaks
like,
me-
oh
That freaks me out.
my gosh, James Corden.
That's just
no.
wrong.
That's
I hope we get to go to Broadway on senior trip.
Me too.
Me,
I will be
three.
so mad.
Kenny doesn't want to go to that. I'm like, well, you can take everybody that doesn't want to go to Broadway somewhere else.
I agree.
Yeah.
Oh,
I want to
mine
go
says
water.
catalog help. What should I
She
do?
needs help from catalog.
She needs cat help.
Cat help.
What should I do?
Second distribution.
Clear.
Hit clear.
Oh my goodness, it won't clear.
Hit second quit.
Oh, thanks.
I got 0.344. 64.
3, 4, 5.
9.
Yeah.
Is there one minus or still or no?
No.
Oh,
Because when we did the 1 minus, we were doing 1 minus the probability of getting 5 or 6. But this other way with CDF, we're adding up anything from 0 to 4.
3, 4, 5. Oh,
It's actually 0.345.
same thing.
Same difference.
Oh,
Patty doesn't like that.
that's why we not upset. Ah!
That's like 6 and 1. That's like 6 and 1/2 dozen to the other.
Don't you please give me over back?
Do you promise not to keep dropping?
I will stop dropping over.
6 and 1/2 dozen of the
I
other.
will stop purposely dropping. You keep throwing me
Oh,
off. Maybe
yeah.
like that.
That's annoying.
That's your fault, Wilbur's like, so back. Do you actually believe if it lands
Razorback!
Hey, you got a Razorback!
like us too? Oh!
You got a trotter.
What does that mean? What happens when it lands like this? How much points is that?
Like 25.
What's the most you can get?
30. If
What
it's
is that?
like on its side. Nose.
That doesn't happen.
Yes, it does. No, like
Like this?
how Maddie has it.
Needs to lean up against something.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't.
Toss it to me.
I just hit the desk.
I saw a pig flash before my eyes.
Is the video gonna see this?
No.
What? How did the video see it?
Shut up. I struggle. Oh, he does stay like that.
To do it on that side.
Bro, Wilbur's cool. Wilbur's cooler than Winkers.
Oinkers did it before Wilbur did.
Oh, I'm gonna lick you.
That's not COVID friendly.
It's okay.
Ah! Okay.
We live in the same household.
Football, bro.
About 8% of males are colorblind.
No, that's so sad for that 8%.
Do you know why?
Because
No,
of
they're
the
men.
genes and their.
They smell bad. They're stinky.
Yep. Because they smell bad.
A researcher needs some colorblind subjects for an experiment and begins checking potential subjects.
So we should just go out to men and be like, hey, can you see
Colorblind?
color?
Are you colorblind?
I'm gonna start
They
doing
can
that.
see color. It's just usually like
Hey, hey.
preferred.
What's the probability that she won't find anyone colorblind among the first 4 she checks?
That's weird. What the heck? I can just imagine a lady going around the streets, hey.
Are you
Are
colorblind?
you colorblind? Oh, you aren't? And then not telling them it's for research. Being like,
there's-
oh, you're not, sorry. And then walks on.
There's
You're
an
like,
order, so it has to be Geomat, right?
Well, I just want to know what is the probability that she won't find. So what's the probability?
0.98 or 0.92.
And how many there is she checking?
4.
4. Or times 4.
boom, boom,
Or to the
boom.
4th, whatever.
0.92. 4. 0.716.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
What's the probability that the first colorblind man will be the 6th person checked?
Okay.
Is this what I was
0.92.
saying?
Oh, I just do the thing where you do like 0.92, 0.92, 0.92.
Yeah,
and
wouldn't
then
that
you
work too?
Yeah. So 0.92 to the 5th times.
0.08.
go, Boom.
My
Point.
thigh really
Nine.
hurts.
Your eye?
Thigh.
From what? Why would your thigh hurt? Basketball. Everything's because of basketball these days, guys.
It's because of basketball. I dropped 13 last night,
Nice.
and I got 8 rebounds. Peyton got a double-double.
What does that mean?
Sweet.
It's like you get at least
0.052.
10 rebounds or 10 blocks or whatever, or assists. You have to, which I think she got 10 rebounds and 10 points, or more than, Yeah.
What, you don't want to see Wilbur serve?
On your phone. And this last time he fell off.
Hang 10 or hang loose or whatever it's called.
Yeah, he doesn't have 10. He doesn't have 10.
Ah! Bacon!
Got
All right.
him.
What's the probability that she finds someone who is colorblind before checking the 10th man?
No order, so.
Before checking the 10th man, there.
Help.
No.
So it's the probability
Why are we doing
I
so
thought
much
from
she was
1
probability?
less than x less than or equal to 9.
Yeah, I would have never, ever done that.
So I want geometric.
I love how you just like stop there for a second. So we want geometric.
Because Maddie was like,
PDF.
Oh, I said geomet. Never mind.
so I'm not just looking at one thing, I'm adding them all up. So
CDF.
CDF.
Yes.
Why is there poison?
Point.
There's no poison.
She just missed this whole conversation.
Why? There's literally
Point
no poison.
08, taking
Where's
9 at a
poison? What
time.
the heck? Where's the poison, guys?
It's like
It's POISSON.
O-N. It's,
It looks like poison from her.
I said poison.
Where? Where do y'all see this?
If Taylor was listening to me
I
I know.
don't listen to
and
you.
Instead
didn't
of
interrupt
Blah
me
blah
all
blah
the
blah
time.
blah blah blah.
Wait, God, where is the poison? I don't see it.
If you arrow up to look for geometric, it's on your calculator in the same
I
spot.
was looking at my paper. What? Oh, I see poison. Oh, lovely.
How do you say it?
I can't remember off the top of my head because there's more letters that go with it, and I can't remember what the thingy is. I was gonna say Poseidon, but that's obviously not right. So
I just like.
I also was gonna say that. I was like, maybe it's not.
That's
0.528.
It is not embarrassing to be dumb, Brooke. Be proud of your dumbness. That's what I say.
So then for part D, on average, how many men should the researcher expect to check to find someone who is colorblind?
On average.
So the expected is 1 over P.
Oh my gosh. Oh, never mind.
So 1 over the probability of colorblind,
One.
because this is a probability of success. So 1 over 0.08
Is that it?
equals what?
1 over 0.0. Oops.
12.5.
So what this means, she will have to check. I hope Melcher enjoys this video. 12.5 men, and obviously she can't check a half of a man. Can't just be colorblind in one eye before.
Maybe. What if they can't see out of one eye? Wouldn't you
Then you
technically
can be. Yeah, exactly.
Will they be
Bef-
blind?
For finding a colorblind man.
Just in one eye. Like some people have the fake mechanical eyes. Those things are spooky.
Professor Moody.
But then again, if I was missing an eye, I would want a fake eye.
Right, Maddie? I heard that.
All right, we'll do the rest of that tomorrow.
Like, I have a question. If y'all are missing